Mumbai. Mumbai, earlier called Bombay. It is capital of Maharashtra. The city is situated on the west coast of India. It faces the Arabian Sea. Mumbai is also a major port of India. The climate of Mumbai is warm and humid. It it rains heavily from June to September. Mumbai is famous for its textile industry. There are many other industries in the city such as medicines, oil, chemicals and electronic goods. Mineral oil is found in the seabed near the Mumbai coast. This place is called Mumbai High, earlier called Bombay High. This mineral oil is purified in a refinery. One of the biggest film industry in the world is based in Mumbai. Theatres is also very popular in Mumbai. Plays in Marathi, Hindi, English are performed here regularly. People living in Mumbai speak Marathi, Hindi and Konkani. People from many parts of India come to live and work in Mumbai. A large number of people work in factories and offices. Bhelpuri, vada pav, pani puri and pav bhaji are the popular snacks in Mumbai. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival celebrated here. Thousands of the tourists visit Mumbai every year. One of the most famous tourist spots in Mumbai is the Gateway of India. Other places of interest are Kamla Nehru Park, Jhangir Art Gallery, Tara Port Wala Aquarium, Marine Drive and SL World.